Steelseries Apex Pro TKL, it claims to be the fastest mechanical gaming keyboard with omnipoint adjustable switches, and on the back it says that they go from 0.4 millimeters to 3.6, and it has the adjustable actuation point. But 5 times better or faster actuation, 8 times faster response time, and 2 times more durable. This thing is said to be up to 100,000 clicks. Sorry if I keep hitting the tripod, but yeah. So this is what the keyboard looks like. That keyboard over, well, you can't see the keyboard over to the side, but that's my ducky. That's gonna be the sound comparison to these. So this is the Gateron Steelseries red switch, and this is the clear omnipoint switch, which is made by Steelseries also. So the omnipoint is like buttery smooth, but the red switch is a little more like grimy. You can kind of feel when you're pushing it down compared to when you click the buttery omnipoint switch. But yeah, the spacebar, here, let's do a sound test for that. And then a sound test for the red switch. Then, for a little added thing, we're going to do a sound test for the ducky compared to the Apex Pro TKL. This has Cherry MX Blues, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Alright, so you may be wondering what this little thing right here is. This is just a attachable magnetic wrist rest. I'll show you how to attach. You literally just do this. You put the keyboard there, and you put the wrist rest on. It's that easy. But yeah, so let's add the escape key back. Put that right there. Then we add this little key back. And that's the full put together keyboard right there. It also has two ports. So, not one. They connect together. My battery just popped up. I'm sorry for that. But they connect together, and you plug them both into your PC or your Xbox, and there you go. But yeah, so this is the review. Let's see what the inside of the box looks like. So, it says Floor Glory, and it has the little cable under here, the keyboard right here, and I'm pretty sure it has the wrist rest under it. Can't really remember, but yeah, it has the wrist rest under it. And so, that's really all about this keyboard. It does have a non-detachable cord, so unlike this keyboard, the Ducky 1 2 Mini, where it has the USB-C port to play your key thing at. Yeah, this one is non-detachable for people that want to add extra cords and better looking cables. But, yeah, that's really about all for this keyboard. So, thank you for watching.